Good day. This is HAT Views on Current Affairs. Today we will take up the issue of rating agencies, the role that they play, and the responsibility that they take, and whether they are performing their role to the best possible standard. There is no doubt about the fact that the two important control points on corporates are auditors and rating agencies. In fact, rating agencies go one step further, and that is that they rate even country so far as their debt, liquidity, etc. are concerned. So they are a step above auditors because auditors do not audit a country, but the rating agencies do. So you have Dun and Bradstreet, you got Standard and Poor's, you got Moody's, you got all these guys who rate not just corporates, but rate countries also. The question that which arises is, how good a job are they really doing? And is the rating of a rating agency, of a corporate, or even a country, really something that we can depend upon? That gives a good guidance to us. Regretfully, over the last 7 to 8 years or more, the rating agencies have really fallen behind in their performance in evaluating the health of countries or evaluating the health of corporates. Otherwise, there would have been no reason for Lehman Brothers moment to have happened in the USA, which really knocked the world's banking system, gave a knockout punch to that banking system, and country after country was scampering to protect its financial institutions. If the rating agencies had been doing their work the way they were supposed to, that moment may perhaps not have been needed. Similarly, let us take the case of India. We have had instances in the recent past, DHFL and IL&FS, where the rating agencies had given excellent ratings, triple A ratings, to the debt paper of those institutions. And suddenly, within a period of 12 to 18 months, the triple A came down to a fail category. How did this happen? And who is responsible to explain what is it that has actually happened in that interim period to make such a major change in the rating of a company? Every time I have seen, it is first the company's management gets blamed, the board of directors, the promoters, the executive directors, the independent directors, everybody is blamed for not doing their job properly, for being incompetent, for not paying attention, for not taking the signals as they come about. Everything is blamed on to. Then you have the auditors who are blamed. Lack of concern, no diligence, no proper checks, failure of systems, etc. etc. But there is no questioning of the rating agencies at all. After all, even the rating agencies are doing a job for which they are very handsomely paid, They are getting all the documents, they are getting all the management information, they are attending management meetings with CEOs, CFOs, other business heads, etc. And how is it that they are not being called to question at all? Within India and outside India, rating agencies are not being called to question. And I believe that this situation has to change. Rating agencies must be held accountable for the rating that they have given. And if something has gone wrong, they have to explain what is it that happened within the time frame of the last rating to this rating that has changed the situation so drastically. My personal view is that as we are holding the board of directors accountable, as we are holding the auditors accountable, we also now need to hold the rating agencies accountable for the actions that they have taken. After all, a lot of investments on the capital markets, on the debt market, etc., are being done on the strength of these ratings. And if those ratings are found to be faulty or done given without proper due diligence, somebody should really need to explain what is it that has happened and where the failures were. If there is a systemic failure, that failure has to be addressed. But somewhere there is a need to bring the rating agencies also into account. Who they report to, I really don't know. But there must be a regulator who the rating agencies must report to and call to question when things happen quite unexpected and unscheduled. That ends my talk of the day. I hope you're liking my talks. Please share them with your colleagues and friends. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Mumbai. Thank you.